Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own tamarind puree. To begin with, you're going to need to break a block of tamarind pulp into a large bowl. Pour boiling water over the tamarind pulp until it's covered by a couple of centimetres, and then give it a gentle stir. Allow the tamarind pulp to soak for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to combine the pulp and water. Add a pan to the hob with a sieve on top, and slowly tip in all the tamarind pulp and water. Using a silicone spatula, press to separate out the seeds and fibres. You should be left with a slightly runny tamarind liquid. Put the pan on a low heat and allow to simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the water has significantly reduced and you're left with a fairly thick paste that clings to the spatula. Whilst hot, transfer to a sterilised sealable jar and store the tamarind paste in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks or freeze in blocks for up to 6 months. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.